Epic Games has announced that Unreal Engine 5.1 is now available, and the features introduced in this new version have made this engine more robust, efficient, and versatile for creators across all industries. One of the most important areas in which significant improvements has been made is Lumen. Lumen now supports the two-sided foliage shading model by gathering lighting from the back face and scattering it through the leaf, attenuated by the material's subsurface color. Lumen's software ray tracing also has new, much more accurate representation for foliage through stochastic semi-transparent distance field ray traces, which fixes over occlusion on foliage. Lumen uses spatiotemporal blue noise for cleaner image quality, especially when the camera is not moving. The biggest quality improvements can be seen when Lumen is using the high global illumination scalability level, which is targeted at 60 frames per second on next generation consoles. Nanite has also been updated with programmable rasterizer to allow for material-driven animations and deformations via world position offset, as well as opacity masks. This exciting development paves the way for artists to use Nanite to program specific objects' behavior, for example Nanite-based foliage with leaves blowing in the wind. Temporal super resolution is now improved in this release in multiple areas such as better support for anti-aliasing of animated materials, improved quality and reduced ghosting on translucent geometry or geometry with incorrect motion vectors. With virtual assets, Unreal Engine has decoupled the metadata from the object data, enabling developers to sync only what they need from source control systems such as Perforce, resulting in smaller workspaces and faster syncs for developers who don't need access to the full object data. In this release, Unreal Engine has continued to enhance tools for building massive open worlds with additional functionality and improved workflows. World Partitions now supports large world coordinates, enabling you to create massive open worlds without loss of precision. Meanwhile, you can enjoy accelerated source control workflows with World Partition, thanks to an improved user experience around managing, filtering, searching, and viewing files and change lists. Unreal Engine 5.1 sees significant improvements in performance and usability for in-camera VFX workflows that apply equally to the broadcast and live event space. Stage operators working in fast-paced, high-pressure environments will welcome a slew of enhancements, starting with a new, dedicated in-camera VFX editor that supports a range of workflows specially tailored for the tasks they need to carry out. All creators can benefit from Epic Games' continued efforts to improve and extend Unreal Engine's built-in rigging, animation authoring, and modeling toolsets in this release, reducing the need for round-tripping with DCC applications. Producing professional interactive sound is now faster and easier, so sound designers can focus more of their time on the key areas that matter the most in a project. MetaSounds updates include additional note types together with support for various multi-channel output formats and the new ability to show feedback on real-time note connections. In this release, a number of artificial intelligence tools introduced in Unreal Engine 5 move out of experimental status. Smart Objects and State Tree to production ready and Mass Entity to beta. Mass Entity is a gameplay-focused framework for data-oriented calculations that enables you to efficiently populate large-scale worlds and create crowds with tens of thousands of believable AI agents. This release delivers UX improvements, CPU performance gains, and memory usage optimizations. Alright guys, this is all for this video. Make sure you didn't miss the other Unreal Engine 5 videos in the channel. See you there, take care of yourself.